here we have a really interesting part of your collection.
Yes, the original pattern was Allen. This is developed from a block printed artwork. And so it has that sort of rough, unfinished lines. And we wanted to create coordinates to go with Allen. So we created the Ikat in the blue and the shadow in the blue to coordinate back. So you can get some really interesting combinations. I think you can go full on pattern or you can pair it with ivory. And we thought that the combination of patterns were so successful that we decided to take it into a black and cocoa sort of taupe story as well. And we liked it so much that we put it into the art glass, bringing that kind of tribal look to the art glass.
So shadow is one of my personal favorites.
Yep.
What I love about it is it has different faces. So when you put it together, it creates this really cool story. It creates this really awesome watercolor tribal effect.
And it looks hand painted because the originals were hand painted. So it really adds dimension and texture. It doesn't look brand new. It looks handmade.